Hi and welcome, or welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here and this is your first time seeing my face, hello, my name is TK, and on this channel I dive deep into handbags, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and all things luxury. But of course over here, you know we like to keep it at a minimal cost. If this is your vibe, sis, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hi, my babes. I hope you all are doing well today. I am back with another haul, like I always say, that nobody asked for, but you know I love to bring you girls hauls. And I want to just thank everyone that gave me their suggestions, their comments about Winston. Winston is doing much, much better. He's still rambunctious, but you know that is to be expected because he is a puppy. Winston is now 13. Yesterday he was 13 weeks old, so he is growing. He is large now. He is definitely too big for his playpen, but he still hasn't learned how to jump out yet. So we're gonna pause and we're gonna keep him in the playpen until he learns how to jump out. Once he learns how to jump out, we will definitely change the playpen and probably go to a crate until he is fully trained. But again, I want to thank you all for your comments and your suggestions. That really helped. And like I said, he's doing much better. And your girl is doing much better. I've been filming all day, so you may see outfits being repetitive in my upcoming videos, because I've been recording all day. I have so much stuff that I have got to show you girls. I just had to break all these up into different videos because it was just so much stuff. And you know, I try to keep my videos under 15 minutes so I don't lose anyone's attention. But before I keep rambling on, let's go ahead and get on with today's haul. I say it all the time, you girls know I'm going to show you something from this brand no matter what, because I always think that their pieces are elegant, and that's my opinion. I just love this brand's jewelry, and I have authentic pieces from this jewelry, and I love this pieces. I think that this piece here basically just completes my jewelry collection for this brand, and it's time for me to move on. But let me show you what I picked up. And I've always been wanting one of these, and as you all know, let me find it. I have an authentic one that I got years ago, and I always wanted one of the bracelets, but just never pulled the plug on a bracelet because I love the love bangles. So I thought that I really didn't need this one, but when I thought about it, I'm like, I want one of these bracelets. And I picked up this one right here. So this is how the stack looks, adding this bracelet with it. And I am truly, truly in love with my stack. I have a couple dainty pieces, which I love dainty pieces. So dainty pieces, when you start adding them, they don't look too much. And I don't know, maybe my arm is starting to look a bit much, but I love this bracelet. And it also has, just like the necklace, it has two double settings where you can adjust it short or long, however you want. But I had to have mine long because the short one was too short. But yeah, I love this bracelet, and I think it is just a darling. So I picked up another handbag, and I know you girls have been telling me you want to see more handbags. More handbags is coming. I promise you girls, more handbags are coming. I've just been a little slow at it, but more handbags are definitely coming. So I picked up another handbag for the spring summer, and I just thought that this one screamed spring summer. And I always tell you girls, I'm a speedy girl, but I also do have a big respect for the Alma bag. And when I saw this one right here, I was taken back. I said, I love this one. I can wear this one with my purple orans, and it will look so good just paired with, you know, paired with my orans, just bringing out that purple. And I really don't have much of anything purple. So that's why, because it's spring, I needed pops of color. And I just felt like this bag gave pops of color, and I love it. It's a top handle, and it comes, you know, it has the lock and key. I also put the key inside of the tassel. Does come with a crossbody strap if you want to crossbody her, and she is just the plain brown canvas with one card slot here. And if you want to crossbody her, like I said, you are welcome to crossbody these bags. I don't really care for these that much as a crossbody, but if you like to wear this as a crossbody, you are welcome to wear it as a crossbody. I would see myself styling this bag this way, and it, as you see, I'm LV down. I have my LV sneakers, my LV dress. I love this dress. This dress is coming up in a video. I love this dress. Or the video may already be out with me when I showed you when I picked up this dress. But on to what we're here for. And the top handle is so good. I just love it because it's small and dainty, and I don't have to wear it. I don't have to feel like when I want to be hands-free that I have a large bag. That's why I sometimes appreciate a smaller crossbody bag. So if I'm in the stores and I don't want to hold the top handle, I can always just use the strap. That's why I would always probably keep the strap on. Or if I don't have the strap on with it, I would just have the strap loose somewhere dangling in the inside of the bag. But yeah, and this baby comes with feet. I know how I feel about a bag with feet, especially when you like to put your bag on the table so that it's protecting your leather to the bottom. But I love this bag, and I just think the colors are just so beautiful, and it's just really screaming spring and summer with this bag. I also wanted to show you what I picked up from this brand here. I picked up a necklace because I wanted another one. And I just wanted to show you this one that I got and just show you how beautifully made this is. And here she is. She is definitely beautifully made. So beautiful, so beautiful. I love these necklaces because they're so dainty. And as I always say, I love a dainty I love dainty jewelry, period. It doesn't matter what. Dainty jewelry is my thing. And this right here is so beautiful. The quality of these necklaces are just insane, especially like I say, if you are a dainty girl. If you like the big ones, then you can get the, you know, the big clover. But I have a large clover, but I have it in gold. But I wanted the mother of pearl in the small sweet Alhambra because I just wanted this just to go with my everyday stack. Since I wear, you know, my Cartier love necklace all the time, I just needed this to go along with my stack. And I just thought that it looked so beautifully made, and it looks really good stacked with a lot of pieces. And that's why I decided, you know, to pick this up. And it is at anyone's discretion if they like the little small ones. Some people don't even like the small ones, but I love the small ones. So I also decide to pick up a pair of earrings. I am more of a stud girl. I've been wearing my pearl earrings forever now. I've actually took off my ear stack because it just kills me at night when I go to sleep when I have an ear stack on. So I've just went back to my simple one pearl earrings, and they're in the 6mm if anyone's interested in the size pearl earrings that I wear. But I picked up me a pair of earrings from Miss Shanae, and I love these earrings. These earrings are so beautiful. Let me show you these pieces. Here they are. Look how gorgeous these earrings are. I mean, like, what? When I saw these, and I'm usually not a girl that wears earrings that really dangle long unless it's just a chain earring. But when I saw these, I said, these are so perfect, and I just need these in my collection. And I am so glad I got them in my collection. And I don't know if the camera's coming off and showing you how beautiful the stones are just glistening. The stones are just glistening so beautifully. And it has the pearl here, the pearl holder here. And I love it. I thought that maybe these could detach if you just wanted to wear the pearls, but no, they cannot detach. And it has the heart detailing with the brand logo in the inside. These earrings are so gorgeous. I am just so in love with these earrings, and I was like, I definitely will be wearing these earrings somewhere elegant if we're going out to like a dinner or something. These will definitely be the earrings that I wear. And last but not least, I picked up something definitely out of the ordinary. These may not be everyone's cup of tea, but I saw them and I said, you know, these are so weird. They look like moon shoes, to be honest. And they come from this brand. So let me just go ahead and show you these shoes. These shoes are so funny. When I saw them, and I just, don't ask me why I wanted to pick them up. I just wanted to pick them up. But I said, you know, sometimes different things call for weird shoes. And look, I have to hold these with two hands because they're so big and chunky. Look how weird these shoes are. You all that know me know I am an eclectic girl. So I said, why not? Like, I don't know. I'm just like, why not? And let me give you a close-up of these babies. They kind of look like clown shoes. Then they kind of look like moon shoes. I'm just not sure, but I just thought that these would be pretty neat. Let me try these on so that you can see how they look with them on. They do look like clown shoes, but ladies, they don't look that bad. They actually don't look that bad, especially if you're going for that platform look. I don't think they're that bad. And they have like the demier print on the bottom of the shoe, like here on the shoe. And I just thought that these were pretty different. Like, I don't know, they won't be everybody's cup of tea, I can tell you that. But I just think, you know, sometimes we don't have to be like everybody else. Like, branch out. Just find that niche, find that style that you like, because we don't have to follow trends. But I know a lot of people aren't going to like these shoes, but I actually like them. I didn't think I would, because once I received them, when I got them, I was like, what in the hell was I thinking about? But now that I have them on, and I probably wouldn't wear them with a dress. I would probably wear these with some shorts or probably just with shorts. I don't know. What will you all wear these with? Let me know in the comments below. All right, my babes, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you girls enjoyed my little haul that I had. It was short and sweet, but quick, right to the point, with some weird items, huh? And some really elegant items. I hope you girls enjoyed today's haul. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all of my social media pages. Give this video a big thumbs up, because that lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my content. And until the next video, stay stylish, stay confident, and I will see you in my next.